What's good, guys? It's Kareem, back again with the vlogs. About to go to the beach. Billy and Ben back there. About to go to Long Beach. You know, maybe play some volleyball or something.
You're not playing.
Well, I am playing. I'm playing. Yeah, so we're playing, and you know, I'm gonna show you guys us there and stuff, obviously. Yeah. Alright, so we just got to the beach and it is hot. Like, it's hot. Alright, well, it's hot still. Yeah. Huh?
Like my backpack.
Hey, okay, I see you. Yeah, we're gonna be playing some volleyball, playing a couple of games, and maybe getting a little juice there and stuff like that, you know. Watching the water, you know, because we're right by the beach and stuff. Yeah, but you know, today's gonna be a pretty good hot day, you know. So yeah. Alright, so we were just practicing for a little bit. And it's mad hot, so we had to get into the shade. Yeah, so we had to get into the shade. But you know, it's a pretty nice day. It's a really, really nice day. Not really a lot of people here, but they're gonna start playing volleyball soon. My son Billy over here. Alright, so we just came back from the beach. It was fun. It was really hot though, you know. And we are on our way home now. Steve's gonna be up for later though. Yeah, sure. Yeah, what? Alright. Yeah. Narrow flow, you already know. We're here getting some sandwiches and stuff, you know. So I got the cheese and steak sandwich. I already finished it though. Steak and white cheddar. Steak and white cheddar steak. Steak and white cheddar sandwich. Panini. A panini. That was mad good. Shout out. Yeah. Finished that. You know, they got that too. Got the soup and the mac and cheese. And chips and everything, you know. Now we're gonna head back. Now we're gonna head back to the house, you know. I missed it! Yo, that was a high-speed chase right there. A high-speed chase. Yo. That was crazy. Some lights, right? Alright, so that's gonna end it for today's vlog, you know. It was a pretty chill day, you know, Cindy's here. I'm at Billy's house, you know, what up then. Yeah, you know, we just went to the beach and everything, you know, chill day, you know. Yeah, so you know, see you guys next time. Peace.